Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 30th of August 2015. So first up on the charts we have CJ, CAD Yen, and you could just about see two levels. One, this supply level up here. We are a very long way away from that. We're a good 600 pips, and then there's this blue line down here, this demand, and price turned just before it, and that's a good 400 pips away from where we are at the moment. But if I just scroll to the left, you'll see that price came very close to this demand level before turning, but it's worth watching just in case price does come back to hit that level. So those are the two major areas on the daily chart as far as CAD Yen is concerned. Now let's move on and have a look at Euro Aussie dollar. Now if you remember, I mentioned this last week. I mentioned the fact that the previous week we were looking at this demand, price never came back, and then we were looking at this demand here, and rather than come back, it rallied even higher. That's what, over 1500 pips there. As you can see, price is heading back down. We may get a bounce here. I'll be watching this. For a bounce. Now, in a similar fashion to EA, we've got EC, Euro CAD, and we've had a very strong rally out of this level as well. Probably, yeah, almost 1,000 pips there. Price is heading back with red candles. If that continues, then I'll be looking for a potential long. Sticking with the euros, let's have a look at EN. Similar thing there. Very big rally away. This was, so many pips that was, yeah, that's almost 2,000 pips there. Price is heading back down, looking for a bounce if we get that. Another euro, EU, euro dollar. So I was long this last week. Well, I was long from before then, from down here. I'm out of that now. There's a nice strong rally there. I did have this level marked up previously, but price engulfed that. So we're looking at this other supply level if price gets up there. But at the minute, looking for a potential reversal to go long again. So that's EU. Let's have a look at GU as well. Price has come back to this area. Price rallied from here, made its way steadily up. Price is back down into this demand zone. Not the nicest looking demand zone, but it has caused a bit of a bounce. This time we may see the same thing again, especially as price has dropped down with these pure red candles indicating profit potential. So that's what we're looking for there on GU. Now all these are longs, only one potential short. Surprise, surprise, that's on dollar Swiss, and this is that supply level that we're watching. There's a very strong move away. Price is heading back up. Normally like to see green candles. Only we have got a red candle there, but I'd still be interested to see how price does get back up into that level and what reaction it has. So those are the main pairs that I'm watching, and let's have a quick look at the longer term opportunities. Okay, so this is AJ on the monthly. I did mark this one up last week, and I said if we drop into this zone, then we could have a bounce, and you can see that that is exactly what happened. That's AJ longs, longs on the bigger picture there. Now, other than that, let's look at CAD Yen. So price left this supply on the monthly a while ago. Let's have a look when that was. That was back in November, December-ish of last year. And price looks like it's heading back down here. It's just engulfed this demand, clear path going down. So then from about here, you're looking at 1500 pips to get back down here. How's it going to do that? Well, we'll talk about that in the members area. And let's have a look at EA. So yeah, this was another one I mentioned. Price has engulfed this supply. We've got this demand down here. There was a big rejection from around here, and other than that, clear red candles going up. So it does look like price is going to be heading up further, because we saw a nice big rally on that one as well last week. So let's look at GC. Price has been heading back up, hit the supply area, and it's making a turn. How far will it go down? We'll have to see. Other than that, we're looking at GJ, pound yen, and price has come back to this demand area here. Clear path on the left, but price was rejected heavily the previous few weeks, and it's back at this demand. So will we see another rise? We'll have to wait and see. So these are all the pairs on the daily and on the monthly. Until next time, happy trading, guys.